with his visit to the national capital raising hopes among ministerial aspirants about the expansion or rejig of Karnataka Cabinet, Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai on Tuesday said he will not be holding discussion in this connection with the BJP central leadership this time. The Chief Minister, who arrived in New Delhi on Tuesday morning, said he intended to discuss cabinet exercise with the central leadership during the visit. But BJP National President JP Nadda and Union Home Minister Amit Shah are not in town. In response to a question in New Delhi, Bommai told reporters, "I had intentions to discuss the cabinet, but our President Nadda ji and Amit Shah are not in town. So after completing today's programs, I will be returning to Bengaluru on Wednesday as there is a cabinet meeting." The Chief Minister is under pressure from aspirants to expand or reshuffle his cabinet at the earliest, ahead of Assembly polls next year.